$5 if they do a combo. So $10 for the designs, ombre, chamfer foil, and at least $15. That's about right. $15 for crystal placements. Hey, thank you, Vicky. Thank you, thank you. All right, put it on the side. We're going to put the no wipe top coat on. I miss if everybody say 20 to 30, 25 to $30 is about right, because you're doing two techniques right here. If you stop right here, this now at least $10. Crystal. So I'm going to my collection here. You can see some of my collection here. It's convenience for me. I don't know how many of the set that I have on the side for my, but I just collecting over the years, so then I can able to create a lot of fun art. So this is cute diamond shape, but I put it upside down. You can do however you would like. It is depend on how your clients would like. So it's just great to do a AB crystal again, because sometimes if you're like, oh, I don't know what to do, I don't know how to create, and always stay, if you don't know where to start, just stay and focus on one centerpiece first, and then you can absolutely create along design along with your centerpiece. And trust me, promise, you're never gonna go wrong with that. We have a lot of questions asking, how do you thinking of a design, how do you create? Mostly I really base on the shape of the crystals and I design from there. So if you let me see, I have a frame right there. It's really cool though. The super cute acrylic charms, you've been seeing me doing it for so many days. I don't know why it happens in front of me. Let me see, I can see so many charms right there, and of course they'll last so long, and he'll spill it too. There's a lot of long one. So if you don't have a shorter one, I will show you how you can get the shorter one. If you don't have a shorter one like this, you can using the clippers, acrylic, crystal clipper, cut it off, like cut in half. There you go. I think I might need to keep this on the side right here so I can get it closer. Just don't move it too far away. I think a shorter one looks good. There you go. Ah, this nail is so cool. I'm really enjoying it. Really trend now with animal prints. So now there's so many different ways when you're doing this. Can you open that one? Because you close, I can't get that one. Can you open that one, please? Thank you. Put one crystal in there. Then you put It's right here. So now, if you are done with this, you don't want to add more crystal, you can add more frame as you wish. And on that super cute baby acrylic jars will that's finally pretty much do everything. Like it has, if you don't have a frame, you don't have a charms, it has everything. So it looks really good already. However, if the clients want more dramatics, like the clients like, I want it more like a jewelry, then you're gonna add more beads and frame to make it more dramatics. And absolutely, if you add it on, your service is gonna be a little bit more. Like if without beads, the design can be, for instance, 25, with beads 30, because it's all the design you are doing it. Add it on. I really like this though, so beautiful. Let me add some beads on and see how it's going to turn out. Sometimes you might see me doing too much or like dramatic, but I don't know, I just like it. But as I said, if you are like, the clients want to be a little bit more simple, then go right ahead, do a little bit less. Like don't put all the crystal on. If the clients, for instance, if it depends on their price range, they said, I want crystal, but I don't want any beads, that's absolutely, totally fine. We can do it without. But if they add more beads, you can see that it'll take a couple minutes to add them on. So the price is going to be a little bit different, like at least $3 more or $5 more. It really depends on the salon location though. I add some SS3 here. I really like them. I use a lot of SS3 though. There's good fillers into dragon scale and a lot of different big shape. It's really one of the bestie for the big shape. And you want all your crystals to stay really close and tight together. That's just cool though, huh? Today we're trying to bring in different content for all of you. If you missed Vicky earlier, you can watch it over on our IGTV. Also, do that safe though, because voice might be gone because we have a difficulty with Instagram. But we have so many others. But make sure you turn on your notifications so then you can tune in to our live video. All right, I think this is so gorgeous. All right, I'm wiping on the side and happy with this. Now we are going to gear it.